Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. And thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So in the last session, what we have discussed is we have discussed about the information models. We have seen what are the types of information models. So there are three types of information models. One is analytical views, attribute views, and calculation views. Okay. So also we have seen how can we create the attribute view, as this attribute view and analytical view are not available, are deprecated from SAP side. But we have seen, because if you, for some of them, if you are working in some old projects, okay, where some of you might get this, okay. So for your information purpose only, I told you this analytical view and sorry, this attribute view, for that only I have discussed. Okay. So when we was creating there, so we have seen something known as join. Okay. Then in the last session, if you guys will go and check my last video, there we need to define something known as joins. Okay. So what are the joins today? So we will discuss what are the types of joins in SAP ABAP. Okay, guys. So this is very important question for the interview perspective. Okay. So what are the type of joins in SAP HANA? So if any one of you know, it's good. But if I will tell you here, there are eight types of joins in SAP HANA. Okay, guys. So there are eight types of joins are there in our SAP HANA. Okay. So the first join here we will see is text join. Okay. Then the second is inner join. Third is our left outer join, or I will write this referential join. Okay. Then left outer join. Then we are having our right outer join. Then we are having temporal join. Then we are having spatial join. Then at the last we are having the star join. Okay. So these are the eight type of joins in SAP HANA. Okay. So let's start with the text join. What is this text join is? Okay. We start from here. What is this text join is, guys? So text join is used when we want to join a table with its corresponding text table. So text join is used when we want to join a table with its corresponding text table. Okay, if we want to join the table with its corresponding text table, that is the text join. Okay. So I'm sure all of you are remember the text table concept explained. We have discussed in the last class what is this text table is. For example, just normal example, if you will see the Mara table. So which is the text table for Mara table? If you will go to the system, wait, I will show you this also. I think it will be logged in. One second, guys. Let me save it again. Okay, left on the left. Yeah, here we go. Okay, if I will go to SC69, here you can see we are having the Mara table. So here you can see one option is there for text table. What is this text table? This text table will contain the text description of this. Okay, a text table is a table with the same primary key and additionally SPRS key to store the language specific text. What I'm saying is MAKT. Here, what is the primary key? MATNAR. In MAKT, what is the primary key? MATNAR. Also, SPRS. What is this SPRS? This is our language key. Okay, so a text table is a table with the primary key and additionally SPRS language D to store language specific data. Is this clear, guys? Okay, so in this, beauty of the join is this allows us to make a relation inclusive of Logon language. Okay, what does this Logon language means? Suppose I logged in into the system. Wait, I will execute here. Okay, here you can see English, DE, AN. Different languages are there. Okay, so which is my language? Somewhere here we used. Okay, wait. So what is the beauty of this? It allows us to make a relation inclusive of logon language. Okay, suppose if I will log in with the English in the system, it should show me automatically the product text in English, the description in English only. Okay, is this clear, guys? Let's go back. It is used mainly in case of text table, where this text join mainly uses. This is mainly used in the case of text tables. Okay, just give me a moment. Is this clear, guys? This text join is clear. Okay, so let me log into the HANA system. HTC. Yeah, just give me a moment. Okay, I will go here. Let's log into the HANA Studio. So yesterday we have created. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yesterday we have created a relation between the text table and the right. And let me log in here. Yeah. So where can I see my package? Inside the content tab. What was my package name? HANA Development JK. If I will go inside this, you can see we have created two attributes view. One is for business partner role and another is for product. It's opening it. Okay. Or you can directly drag and drop. No. Okay. Fine. So what I was saying you. Yesterday I showed you in the last session. Look here, I told you what is the type of join because we are joining this. This is which my table, PD, product ID key, and this one will contain the description. So if I will double click, what should be the type of join here? So if I will double click there, I can define the type of join. And cardinality will be 1:1. Okay, and we have to define one language column. Okay, if you just select this section, you can see. Is this clear, guys? So this is what our text join is. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Go back. Change it again. So this is clear, guys. This text join is clear. What this text join is? Okay. Okay, so this is the concept of this inner join. We have covered this inner join. Let's make it red. Okay, then what are all the types of inner join or what is inner join? Okay, so what is this inner join, guys? Huh? So inner join is a join where both the tables have record with the common key. For example, I want to fetch the data from two tables. Okay, the common data will be the. How can I find the common data from the two tables using the inner join only? So inner join is a concept of like which let me write here. What is this inner join is? Okay, so you can say is join when both the tables have record. Which record? With a common key is called with a common key. They are having the record. When we apply this join, the view always return the dependent records between both tables. Okay, but in some case, if what is the case? If there is no matching report, if there is no matching reports, system will produce null value. What does this inner join means? Okay, this means MATC. Sorry, yeah. What I'm saying here is, if in both the tables we are having the common records, only then this will fetch the records. But if there is no common records, then it will give us null value. Is this clear, guys? Inner join is clear. So I think hope every one of you have used this in your core ABAP. Okay. Then this referential join, this we will see in the last. Okay. This is very important. So next comes up with our left outer join. Left outer join. So what is this left outer join? So left outer join is actually a combination of inner join plus records of the left table for which the records are not existing in the right table. So basically it is the output of inner join and records from the left side table, even the corresponding records does not existing in the right side. That's our left outer join. Is this clear, guys? If I will write here is, right, let me come here. It is the output of inner join and, or you can say it's a combination of inner join and records from the left side table, even the corresponding records not existing in the right side table. It is clear, guys? What is this left outer join? Okay. For example, if I will show you here, sorry, if I will show you, let's insert, let's, okay, if this is my, okay, this is my left outer join, okay, this there, there, yeah. So it will fetch the, going forward, okay. So what it will do is, it will fetch the common records from here, here, okay, and it will fetch all the records from this table and the common records between both the tables. Is this clear, guys? So this is what our left outer join. Okay, then move with our right outer join. So what is the right outer join? So right outer join is just opposite of this left outer join. Normally, many of you are aware of this. Okay, so right outer join is an opposite. So in right outer join, it will get you the records of the right side table, even there is no matching record on the left side table. So that's called our right outer join. Okay, is this clear, guys? So it is the output of same. It is the output. It is the output of inner join and records from the right side table, even the corresponding records not existing in left side table. Is this clear, guys? What is this our right outer join? Okay. So for example, same case is there. Okay. I will bring it forward. You can see all the records from right side table and the common records from the, what I'm saying is inner join and records from the right side tables if they are not even matching with the left side table. Is this clear, guys? Okay. So just give me a moment. Go to a new slide. Just once again. Okay. So Yeah. So here you will see we have completed our inner text join, inner join, left outer join, then right outer join. Then the next comes up with the temporal join. What is this temporal join is? Okay, temporal join. Okay, so a temporal join is only temporal join. Then is temporal join is when we are joining tables with time dimensions. With time dimensions. Okay, basically and star tables. Okay, so you can go back to temporal join. Okay, so what is this join? They are not that much important. Okay, so if join which is applied when we are joining tables with time dimensions. Okay, I will show you in the demo part of this one. Okay, time dimension. What is this time dimension is? Basically the M star tables. Is this clear, guys? So let's come back. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's come with the spatial join. What is this spatial join? Okay, so it's basically used to add the to join coordinates. Okay, suppose I want to calculate the difference between point A to point B in miles, in kilometers, in meters, in centimeters. So how can I do that? I cannot apply complicated formula myself. Okay, HANA has a great capability to calculate that through the spatial join. Okay, basically our geographical coordinate differences. Okay, so that's where the spatial joins are being used. Okay, so to be very honest, guys, I have never used this, and you will also use it very less. Okay, so but you should remember all these basic topics. Okay, what is this? Then the next comes up with our it is that it is our star zone. What is this star zone? Is simple. Used to join two star schemas. Okay, two star schemas. And this join we will use in our calculation view. Okay, these joins can also be used in calculation view. Okay, so used to join two star schemas. This join can be used in calculation view. Okay, only be used in the calculation view. That's our star join. It is clear, guys. So let's move. So what everything is covered now. I think yeah, everything is covered. Now which is left is we have left up with only the which is the our referential zone. Okay, referential zone. Okay, what is it? This is very important. Okay, referential. Okay, same it's same something same like as inner join. But this is very important question which someone will ask you interview question. What is this interview question is? What is the difference between referential join and inner join? What is the difference between this? Okay, this is a very important question, guys. Okay, so inner join is guaranteed join. Okay, so it's a guaranteed join. Okay, what is this? Our inner join. Okay, so referential join versus inner join. So inner join is a guaranteed join. No matter what happens, it's going to apply the join between two tables. It's going to compare two tables based on join condition. Whatever the condition we have given into our to our join, it will compare that and it will what it will do, it will make the join. Okay, it will give the common value. Something will be there. Okay, so inner join is guaranteed join. We can say it like inner join is a guaranteed join. No matter what happens, it's going to apply the join between two tables. It's going to compare two tables based on the join condition and then returns the values. Okay. So I will also want to give a precondition here in context of HANA overviews and say, okay, in simple word, if you apply a join of type inner join, it's guaranteed that the system behind the scene will perform the join between two tables. Okay, so if I will write here in context of HANA, what is the in context of HANA views? One second. Firstly, we will see inner join is guaranteed. It's guaranteed join. It is going to compare two tables based on the condition, based on the join condition, and then returns the values. Okay. What is this differential join? Okay. What is this referential join, guys? So referential join is a smart join. Okay. Referential join is a smart join, smart inner join. Okay. What it will do? Whether the join will be applied. One second, guys. Whether a join will be applied. Yeah, whether a join will be applied or not at runtime. What it will do? It depends on select query you pass. Okay, this join will be pruned if the data is not selected from both the table. Okay, what I am saying is the join will be pruned if the data is not selected from both the tables. What is this prune word means, guys? Okay, so prune means ignore. Simple. Okay, so the join will be ignored if the data is not selected from both the tables. What I am saying is, if you are fetching the data from something known as from EKK1 and EKPO table, and if you are not selecting it, if you are not written the select query, okay, if you are not written if you are not using the fields from both the tables from in the select query, then it will neglect the join. Simple. Okay, so what with the difference we can say? Inner join will fetch the data based on the join condition. A referential join will fetch the data based on the select query. Okay, so this join, this is very important, guys. Please take care there. Okay, the join will be ignored if the data is not selected from both tables. If the data is not selected from both the tables, then the join will be ignored. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? So this is what our inner join is. Okay. If I will show you in the system, we are having something option here. 1 second. Let me log into the system. Here you can see we are having option something known as referential join also. Okay. This I will show you in the demo part how these things, all of these joins will work. Okay. But you can try it from your end, and it's not that much important. So okay. So I will try to cover these joins in views part only. Okay, so I will not give a different session for this. Okay, so I think we have discussed. Once again, sorry. Okay, so I think we have discussed all of the joins here. Inner join, text join, inner join, simple. Text join is to join the text table. Inner join to fetch the data from common data from both table, left outer join, right outer join, temporal join, spatial join, start join. All of those things we have covered here. Is this clear, guys? Okay, so this is very important question. What is the difference between referential join and inner join? So you can say inner join will check the join condition, referential join will check the select join. That's all. Is this clear, guys? I hope this one is clear to all of you. Okay. Yeah, so that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson. That's all. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.